Welcome to Problem Solving. Today, we're tackling Codeforces problem 734A, Anton and Danik. Let's dive into the solution. Here's the problem summary. Anton and Danik played N games, each game resulting in a win for either Anton or Danik. Given a string of game results, with each character either A for Anton or D for Danik, we need to determine who won more games. If they won an equal number of games, the result is friendship. Now, let's look at our Python solution. Here's the code, and it's available as a comment under the video. Let's break down how this code works. 1. Inputs. First, we take two inputs, the number of games n and a string s representing the results. Each d in the string means Danik won a game, and each a means Anton won. 2. Counting Danik's wins. Using regular expressions, we count how many times d appears in the string. The function ret_findAll_rds finds every occurrence of d, and len tells us the count. This count is stored in the variable Danik. 3. Counting Anton's wins. To get Anton's win count, we subtract Danik from the total number of games, which is just the length of the string s. The result is stored in Anton. 4. Comparing counts. Finally, we use an if statement to compare Danik and Anton. If Danik has more wins, we print Danik. If Anton has more wins, we print Anton. And if they have the same count, we print friendship. To recap, we used a regular expression to count Danik's wins, derived Anton's win count, and used conditional statements to determine and print the result. Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, please like and subscribe for more problem-solving tutorials on Codeforces. Remember, the code is in the comments below. See you in the next video.